In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy CDs on Fidelity. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Fidelity app like you normally would, then go to the bottom menu and select over here where it says transact. Then in this bottom menu, you want to go ahead and swipe until you see this option that says buy CDs. And you're able to go ahead and look through all of them over here. So it's going to let you know the yield to worst and then the maturity date as well. You can go ahead and change the filters and stuff like that. So that is incredibly important. So you just want to go ahead and select on the CD that best interests you. And some of these CDs, unfortunately, you aren't able to actually buy on a mobile device. It's going to let you know. So in that instance, you're going to need to go ahead and use Fidelity on the desktop. But nonetheless, you still are able to go ahead and purchase CDs. By the way, I want to clarify that this video is not financial advice. Make sure that you thoroughly do any research on whatever investment you're trying to make. All right, so then you're able to go ahead and select on this buy button right over here. And then over here, it's going to let you know more information. So with Fidelity Auto Roll, conveniently have your money automatically reinvested in a new CD when your current CD matures. So that is 100% up to you. And you can go ahead and roll into that program if you want. But if you don't want to, then you need to go ahead and select on no, and then you should be good to go. Please double check the terms of the CD, and afterwards you should be good to go. The interest rate will display the same percentage as the annual percentage yield, or APY, for new issue CDs, as new issue CDs are offered at par value. And then from there, you're able to complete the transaction and you should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.